I know you all want to increase your followers on TikTok, but you can't find any real trick on YouTube. However, after this video, you will definitely be able to increase your TikTok followers because I have tried this trick, and you can see the results on your screen. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. First, open any browser, and after opening it, you need to search for technicalinfo.in. You'll see technicalinfo.in at the top rank, so click on it and open the website. Now, wait for a few seconds until the website loads properly. After that, scroll down, and you'll see a search this blog box, click on it. Now, you'll need to search for a keyword, which will appear on the screen, SuperTalk. Type this keyword and search. Then, an article will appear, so click on the article and open it. So finally, we have reached the trick. The trick is very simple and easy. Here, you just need to add your TikTok username. Make sure your account is public. After entering the username, click on the Get Followers button. Now, you need to keep this page open for at least 5 minutes, otherwise, you won't get followers. It takes a minimum of 2 to 3 hours for the followers to come, so you just need to wait, and you'll definitely get followers 100%. I hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching.